I'm Kevin. I'm gonna remodel this. I'm gonna paint it purple, and yeah. I was trying to drill into this. I got it from a junk removal. Anyway, yeah. Okay, watched a single video on this. No idea what I'm doing. Got told to use a wire brush. This is $7. I bought it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Is it gonna make it clean? Let's see. Holy crap-a-dime! Wait, can I just do this? Oh my god, I kinda can! This is gonna take forever! Super fast time lapse of me doing something to the trailer. Oh my god, is this cool or what? You like the music. Just randomly added it. Ignore the butt crack. I'm sorry about that. I didn't know my pants were down. Okay, I have no idea if I'm supposed to be doing this. I think I'm just gonna mask it and just paint over this because I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, hello again. We are masking the lights. While I do this, enjoy more of that fabulous music. Oh, look at that purple. I love it. I think it looked out pretty nice. I just had to grab a box right here. That didn't help at all. Anyway, enjoy the music. Not to get too close. Alright, I'm gonna have to crouch a bit. Done with this side. I'll do the touch up. I gotta upload this part. I want people to tell me what I'm doing wrong. An extra can of this for the other side. I'm not sure if I should do the whole outline of the trailer in purple. Should do a different color. Let me know. I'm not anywhere skilled to do this professionally. It's just because I'm sick of seeing the rust. And, well, I'm trying to make this trailer look nice. The wood's gonna get replaced eventually. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, more videos of trailer model coming soon, unless I get bored and realize, oh God, what mistake have I done now? Because I painted over the wires. Ah.